All right, welcome to this lesson. This lesson I'm going to focus on showing you KDP Rocket and how I use it for marketing, how I get my keywords, and how I use it to put ads. This is where I get my information for the keywords, or one of the places that I gather keywords. So KDP Rocket is very extensive. There's tons of tutorials, and if you get the platform, there's plenty of resources within this platform, so you learn how to use it. But I'm going to show you what I do, and I don't get so in depth with this. All I do is just try to pull keywords. And if you remember nothing else, just know that there are hundreds of books being published every single day. So keywords is something that is constantly evolving. As new books come in, as new books rank, as new books take other books and books die out, keywords are constantly in motion. So you always have to come back to KDP Rocket, or you always have to continually update your keywords, because you want to stay with the flow, with the movement of what people are buying, and that's how you place your ads. So if you're trying to rank on keywords that people are not searching anymore, then your book is not going to sell. So this is something that you could do, and this is very quick to do. So I'm going to show you, and let's get right into it. As you open up the app, this is what you're going to see. And by the time you watch this, if this platform constantly updates, so if it's different, it's different. But the bottom line is, you're going to look for the AMS. This is where we place our ads, keyword search. So you click on that, and I'm going to use as an example. You could click ebook or book. Let's go with ebook. I'm going to type in trading options. Now click enter, and this is automatically going to pull in all of the new books, all of the new data keywords that have just come in as of right now. So here you go. Here's a list of all the titles, list of authors, and all I do is just export this list. So you want to organize your keywords in the folder maybe where your books are. As you can see, I did this the other day, September 7th. It is September 14th. So a week ago, I pulled in all these keywords, which I have to upload onto the AMS platform, because I wanted to have relevant new keywords for my trading and investment keywords and niches that I'm in. So I pulled in one day, as you can see here, 803, 804, 806, 807, 809. In a couple of minutes, I pulled in hundreds and hundreds of keywords. And now I go onto my AMS platform, and I create ads with all of these keywords. So this is what you want to do. I'm not going to save this, but I want to give you an example on doing this. So let's say you did this trading options, right? As you're going through this list, you might get other ideas for other keywords you might want to do related to this keyword. So trading options for a living. Let's see. Trading options expiration. I'm trying to find here other words that are related to trading options. This is very, very specific, actually. Day trading options. So day trading might be another keyword. Swing trading. So here I'm adding two more words that I'm going to search after this. Stock market is another keyword. All right, so I go here, new search. I'm going to do day trading. Now it's going to load day trading for me. So here we go. Day trading has loaded. So day trading, a list of all the relevant keywords for day trading, and this is pulling it right from Amazon. So look at all the words for day trading. We mentioned stock market. So this is how I created the list that you saw for September 7th. Just by doing this. And all I do is export. You can do this in a couple of minutes and update or add keywords to existing books that you have. Once you come across your stock market, so here are all the relevant keywords. So here's another one, investing. Investing is related to trading. And you go on like this. You go adding and adding keywords. This is how you scale in ads. You keep on adding keywords. there's a limit to the bid price that you could increase your books for the ads, because at some point it's not going to be a profitable thing for you. So you want to continue to add keywords that are going to bring in sales at a cheap price. And this is how you do it. You continue to add keywords. So we start off with options trading, then stock market, then day trading, and now we're in the stock market, and now you could go in here and say investing. And you could see in a very short time, we could have thousands of keywords. Investing, here you go. And from here, you could probably find some other keywords. So this is how I use KDP Rocket. And this is the list that I just showed you, how I build my keyword list for my trading books. And I update this every so often, every 3 months, every 6 months. Or if I don't see that sales are not, I said, hey, I'm not selling any more of these books. Let me go and refresh my keywords. I just come in here, or I go to other platforms like Google Keyword Planner or Merchant Words that I have shown you through the course, and I do the same thing. This is what you need to be working on your time when you're relaxing, because after all, you are marketing, you are selling, and you're not selling door to door. All you're doing is driving traffic. That's one of the keys to selling books, is driving traffic. And one of the ways you drive traffic is through keywords. So you don't have to do this all, complicated things. All you have to do are the things that you have to do, which is market your books. Send traffic to them, and sales will come while you sleep. But this is the part that you have to do. You have to consistently refresh your keywords and bring in new keywords or relevant books that are selling now, so your ads could place in front of them. All right. So this is how I use KDP. It's a very useful tool. This is a very easy way to do it. It's definitely worth the money, and I would recommend that you have this platform. All right. I'll see you on the next lesson.